At AMTECH, we thought AMTECH is a very good platform to launch new products because this is the place where all the people related and all enthusiasts about 3D printing people come. So this is a new Figure 4 machine we have launched, and we call it as a digital injection molding machine. And this machine we can produce parts within minutes, and we can produce the parts you can see like injection molded quality and at that speed and reliability without the need of any injection tool. So this is the platform you can see with all the parts stacked on each other. So on the other models of Figure 4 machines, we can go up to 380 millimeter height. So we can actually make completely unattended operation, and we can make plastic parts. And we have 30 different materials on this machine, which is unique, and the whole machine, the software and the materials are all manufactured by 3D Systems. So this is something new we are launching at the AMTECH exhibition.